Which pair of shapes is similar but not congruent? And we have these 4 answer choices to look at. All right, so if we look at answer choice A, we have an isosceles triangle, 2 sides of length 7 and a base of 4. And in our other one, we have a right isosceles triangle, and the legs have lengths of 2.5. Well, because the angles do not line up at all, or are not congruent or equal, these 2 triangles are neither similar nor congruent, so we can rule out answer choice A. If we look at answer choice B, we have 2 right angles, 2 obtuse angles, and another angle here to make our pentagon. And on this side, we have 2 right angles, 2 obtuse angles, and another angle. And we have the corresponding side lengths of 5, 3, 3, 5, 5. And we have the same corresponding side lengths over here. So these 2 pentagons are congruent. They are considered similar, but because they're congruent also, we can rule out this answer choice because it's asking for similar but not congruent. Now let's look at answer choice C. We have 3 right angles, and we have longer sides of length 5, and we have shorter sides of 3, 2, and 2. And the other one next to it has the same qualities. So again, these 2 polygons are congruent, so we can rule out that answer choice. Now let's look at answer choice D. We have 2 right isosceles triangles, and if we were to use the triangle sum theorem, we would find out that these 2 angles measure 45 degrees in each one. So the corresponding angles are all the same. Now are the sides proportional? Well, we have a ratio of 4/3, another ratio of 4/3, and if we were to use Pythagorean theorem to find each side length, we would get 4 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. So that would be 16 and 16, and that's 32. So c squared equals 32, and if we square root 32, we will get that this long leg is about 5 66/100. Now let's use the same strategy but find the length of this side over here. So we have 3 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. So that's 9 and 9, which is 18, is equal to c squared. When we square root 18, we're going to get that c is approximately equal to 4 24/100. So if we set up 5 66/100 over 4 24/100, so if we put this division problem, 5 66/100 divided by 4 24/100, we get that it's really close to being 4/3. And it's probably off a little bit because of the rounding. So these ratios are all the same. Therefore, our answer here is D. These 2 triangles are similar, but not congruent.